Okay, so proceed tayo. So our task for today is to create a code na kung saan pag mag-click tayo sa JTable dito, automatically yung data na kiniklik natin is madi-display dito sa ating text field. So paano yan gagawin? Para ma-update natin and then ma-change natin yung data. So paano siya gagawin? So ganito lang siya. Right click to and then event. Right click yung JTable event and then mouse click. So dito gagawa tayo ng code na kung saan we always define the JTable model as our default model that get model. Okay, semicolon, declare tayo ng variable na makuha natin yung row, name natin as row or selected row equals JTable property that get selected row okay. So ngayon sa JTextfield na barcode that set natin yung text niya from the model that get value at so ito yung selected row tapos yung column niya is nag-start sa first column which is 0. Okay, and then we need to change that one into string okay. Next is JTextfield, ano bang next nagkakasunod, date type description owner. Okay, sana yan. JTextfield date that set text model that get value at selected row that one that to string. Okay, JTextfield, anong sunod? Date type JTextfield type that set text model that get value at selected row index 2 that to string because that's an object, we need to change it. Text field, anong sunod sa type? Description and then next owner. JTextfield description that set text model that get a value at selected row 3 that to string. Next is JTextfield owner that set text model that get value at selected row that 4 that to string. Okay, so and then yung J button na save is magiging set enable, magiging false siya, and si J button update ay magiging set enable true dahil i-update natin siya. Okay, let's try to run our code. Run. I will click this one. Yeah, so the update button is enabled. Cancel. Yeah. Nice, nice. Okay. The next part is to create the code to update these details, and then we will put back in our JTable. Okay, that's all for this video.